not just sitting here looking at all the shit I've taken off this thing. Breather, seat, side covers, and beauty. Oh, I mean, damn. Yeah, that's a lot. And now I'm fixing to take the tank off of it. Time to make the thing out of this. All right, well, I've done a lot of work here, that a lot of a lot of you haven't seen. I didn't like the way I had the headlight bracket, so I'm going to redo the headlight bracket. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I like doing things twice for some fucked up reason. But I cleaned up my electrical here, got all this looking decent. Got my back clip wired and everything. And all this is ready for my battery box that I made. Got my electrical redone, got my wiring for my speedo. That was all in one cluster, and then a bunch of my headlight for the LED and stuff is all up here now instead of down under that. And you just see me clean up the sides. Oh, the wiring I did, I swear I had about an hour and 45 minutes of me cutting things apart and splicing and soldering and heat shrinking, and then I come back to the camera and it's gone. I don't know. Here's where I'm at with this. I've got the mounts made, their bushings made. I just used sway bar bushings that I bought for the back of that Dodge Caliber, and they work, they fit right in there. So I went and bought my brass for this. I'm gonna clean them up and make them nice and smooth. Then I got to bondo that, and yeah, let me show you what it looks like on there. Well, y'all quit it. Yeah, that's how it's gonna sit. See if I can get over here and get a better view of it. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm not so sure. I'm going to try the shorter risers. I'm not so sure about those risers, but yeah. Still got to do my exhaust, paint the frame, headlight. Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Little doggy.